Macho. At this point in the hike, I'm depending on the coca leaves to keep me from feeling altitude sickness. It's no longer a novelty when you need to keep yourself going. That is precisely why the people of the Amazon region as a whole take the coca plant very seriously.
The famous coca plant, it is a bush. That plant is growing only in the cloud forest or around to the Amazon jungle. This plant has 14 alkaloids. I mean 14 natural drugs, mostly of them with medicinal function that the pre-Inca and the Inca civilization were using with medicinal purposes. The pre-Inca civilization were using this one 3,000-4,000 years ago. But right now, this plant is banned around the world because they say they are only using that cocaine. But what's happening around here? For example, look at these places. We have some Andean communities. We have some Andean people that still are using this plant with medicinal purposes. Why? Because we don't have any doctor around here. We don't have any hospital. How they are getting well? Using this plant.